Michael must be executed. He's an uncultured swine.
Why is that?
He mistyped Butterbur Blanc.
Why did he mistype it?
Because he didn't know what it was spelled as. Therefore, he's uncultured, so he must die.
So you're going to pick up the magnesium oxide powder and place it into your calorimeter using this little thing here called a scupula. Alright, now you might want to put on gloves for this as well because this stuff is very powdery. Like think of flour except even finer. So it does kind of stick to your hands and it'll stick to your clothes, which you don't really want. It's not a dangerous compound by any means necessary, like by any stretch of the imagination. It's not dangerous, but you still don't want to have all that stuff on you. So definitely when you're using that, whoever's doing it, wear your gloves, right? So just in case as soon as the reaction's done or you're done picking it up, you can just discard your gloves and don't have to worry about all that powder kind of on your hand. Clean out your calorimeter, alright? So just rinse with plenty of water, that'll be fine. The next one you can have wet, so if your calorimeter is not completely dry, that's fine. And our next reaction is going to be, we are going to figure out the enthalpy change for the reaction between magnesium solid and hydrochloric acid. So same thing, you are going to have to collect another bit of hydrochloric acid, right, from your graduated cylinders. So you can use the exact same graduated cylinder as well. You're not going to contaminate them because you're using HCl for both. Now for the magnesium, it's down in the back right-hand corner of my room, over here, next to the other balance, alright? Now for the magnesium, we are using magnesium ribbon, which looks like this. Now this is coiled up, so you are going to uncoil this and take about 15 centimeters of magnesium ribbon. Now how would you know when you got 15 centimeters? I got a ruler back here. Now you don't need to have exactly 15 centimeters. If you're off by a little bit, that's perfectly okay as well. Because after you measure that out, you are going to then weigh it on the balance, which again is right here. Cylinder onto it and check the temperature changed. Now this reaction, don't be alarmed if you hear a lot of fizzing. That's fine, that's just hydrogen gas being released by the reaction. So that just means as well, because where we have the stopper on it, or the top from our calorimeters, that means when you first open up the cover when the reaction's done, just don't have your nose too close to it. Hydrogen gas isn't poisonous, nor is it dangerous. It's highly flammable, so make sure no one has any lighters around. Yeah, I just gave you guys